What's going on, guys? Steve Sam here with Beyond the Build, and in today's episode we're heading to my godson baby Crew's birthday party. And what else are we doing today, babe?
And we're also going to Marjorie and Brandon's housewarming and engagement party. Congrats, guys. We're going as Boba Baez, bringing all of our boba and stuff, right?
Yep, bringing all the stuff. So make sure you subscribe to our Boba Baez Instagram channel. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Beyond the Build. So we'll see you guys there. Alright guys, we're here at stop 1. We have all of our supplies in Jolene's car. It's time to unload and head on inside. Alright, let's get it started. Let's bring this inside. Alrighty, now we have everything unloaded. We're gonna start bringing it in. We'll park this car real quick. Alright guys, we're at stop 1. We're gonna begin the unloading process. Just park the car right now, and let's get to work.
They have a cute photo backdrop here, and they have some really cool photos of their cute engagement. Look. We have our boat base set up over there that you guys saw earlier.
Alright. Let's get it. Want to pose real quick? Show off the backdrop. There you go. Awesome. I like the high five. High five is my favorite thing though.
Chicken strip, katsu, and kalbi.
Ah, nice. See your first bite. That's here. Let's see your first bite.
Wait, it's a light bite. I need like more. Good.
So we kind of forgot to bring the containers for extra bubble juice. So right now we're gonna make a quick trip to the dollar store. Alright, let's get these jugs real quick.
The drugs.
Jugs?
Don't tell people about the drugs.
Oh my gosh.
Just kidding.
Look at these ones. It's pretty big, no?
This is big.
That's actually more than enough for like 2.
We just did 2 of these?
Probably. So tomorrow we're doing a charity event with Arc Movement, giving back to the community. Required for us at the car show, you have to give 10 personal hygiene products. So I think we're gonna get like 10 shavers or 10 razors. So we'll bring that for tomorrow, okay?
Floss?
Got floss.
4. I have 3 floss. Actually, I have 5 flosses.
2.
Flour? 5.
For, wait, how many is that? 10?
5 flosses, 5 razors.
More razor.
Is that all we need?
Alright guys, we're all packed up. We're leaving the first party. Now we're gonna head over to Baby Cruz's birthday party today.
Okay.
Did you have fun?
I did. It was a lot of fun, and there's so much food.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of food. Marjorie, we're gonna be linking up later. I started about real estate investing. We're gonna make some money. The road? Let's go.
How long were we
driving? We made
it. Like 2 hours?
2-hour drive from
Carson.
Carson.
From where?
From where? So we're here in Beaumont now. We're gonna head to the party right now. Thanks for driving.
Yeah.
Okay, we got Baby Cruz's presents here. Oh, whoa, whoa, it's going everywhere. Whoa, you need to stop. Whoa.
Okay.
Yeah, we got Baby Cruz's presents here. It's 2 little dope books. It's the one
T is for turbo.
T is for turbo, then one the race car.
ABC's for race car drivers.
Yep. And we put $40 in there, so you know.
Because
That'll spoil my godson. All right, let's go, babe.
Okay.
What are you getting for dessert?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh! Oh. I think we get a couple and get some of this, right? Yo, this is my favorite. Suman.
What's it called?
What's it called? Bomb balls. We'll fill it up, guys. Oh. Bruh. This is all professional. You sure you don't want one? This is delicious. High five. High five. High five. Yeah. High five again. Hey. Yeah. Again. Yeah. Yeah. Carrot cake.